5 work-from-home jobs that are actually always hiring, no experience. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest tips, tricks, and insights to help you succeed in your work-from-home journey. Today we're going to dive into something super exciting, 5 work-from-home jobs that are actually always hiring. And guess what? You don't need any prior experience to get started with these opportunities. So whether you're looking to make some extra cash or dive full-time into remote work, this video is for you. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. All right, let's get started. 1. Visual interpreter. First on our list is the role of a visual interpreter, also known as a visual assistant or agent. This job is truly unique because it allows you to make a positive impact on someone's life every single day. So, what exactly does a visual interpreter do? You'll be helping blind or visually impaired individuals by assisting them with visual tasks. This could mean guiding them through what's on their computer screen, describing their surroundings via live video, or even helping them make important decisions like booking a flight or checking their bank balance. One of the best things about this job, you don't need a ton of experience to apply. You just need a quiet workspace and a computer that meets basic technical requirements. The main company hiring for this position is called Era, and it's super easy to apply. Just head to their website, scroll down to Careers, and look for openings under Visual Interpreter. You'll also need to pass a pre-screen and aptitude test, but don't worry, it's nothing too complicated. And get this, the salary range is between $40,000 to $66,000 a year, with great benefits like health insurance, paid sick leave, and even a $400 technology stipend. So if you want a meaningful remote job that doesn't require any previous experience, this is definitely one to consider. It's important to note that jobs like these are on the rise due to the growing demand for accessible services for individuals with disabilities. Companies like Era are constantly looking for more qualified candidates to meet the increasing need for visual assistance. As more technology becomes integrated into our daily lives, accessibility becomes a key concern, and visual interpreters play a crucial role in bridging the gap. Whether you're guiding someone through a computer task or assisting them in navigating a physical environment, this job allows you to feel like you're truly making a difference. The flexibility in hours also means that you can work around your schedule, making it a great option for anyone seeking work-life balance. Job number 2, Deal Hunter. Next up, we have a really fun one, a deal hunter. Yes, that's a real job. If you're someone who loves finding amazing deals online, you can actually get paid for it. As a deal hunter, your job is to find the best discounts and deals on products, whether it's for electronics, fashion, home goods, or any other category. You'll be sharing these deals with online shoppers through platforms or blogs. Content-driven companies are always looking for people who can spot hidden gems. You could help thousands of people save money on their purchases, and it's like being a modern-day treasure hunter. Most deal hunters make around $20 to $25 an hour, and you don't need any formal qualifications to get started. If you want to boost your resume, you can take some basic digital marketing or SEO courses, but they're not mandatory. Jobs like this are in high demand, and you can find opportunities through various job boards or by looking directly at companies that specialize in content marketing or affiliate marketing. Deal hunting is an exciting role because not only do you get to work from home, but you also get to explore different product categories and industries. From spotting daily deals to seasonal promotions, your expertise can help shape consumer behavior. Another great aspect of being a deal hunter is that your work often aligns with your personal interests. Love tech gadgets? You can focus on finding the best tech deals. Are you into fashion? You can curate a list of fashion steals for your audience. It's a dynamic job that gives you a lot of creative freedom. Plus, companies appreciate individuals who are detail-oriented and quick to spot opportunities, meaning there's plenty of room for growth if you want to evolve into a full-time position. Online moderator with Mod Squad. Now let's talk about online moderation with a company called Mod Squad. If you enjoy engaging with online communities and making sure things run smoothly, this job could be perfect for you. As an online moderator, your job is to provide customer support, moderate content, and engage with various online communities to ensure a top-notch experience. You'll be working with forums, social media platforms, or even customer service portals. The pay for an online moderator is around $31,000 to $51,000 a year. It's an entry-level role that doesn't require prior experience, although customer service skills are definitely a plus. To apply, head over to Mod Squad's website, click on Join the Mods, and submit your application. It's that simple. And the best part? You'll be part of a flexible team that works remotely with plenty of opportunities to grow. Online moderation roles are expanding as more communities move into digital spaces. From gaming forums to niche hobby groups, you'll find a wide range of moderation opportunities. One of the best parts about working for a company like Mod Squad is that they offer flexible hours, making it easy for you to balance work and personal commitments. You also get the chance to moderate different types of content, which means no 2 days are alike. If you enjoy variety in your work and interacting with different online communities, this is an excellent job that combines both. Freelance writer with scripted. Fourth on the list is a great option for all the writers out there, freelance writing with a platform called Scripted. You'll be researching, writing, and editing content for various clients, and you can work with different industries. Whether it's blog posts, social media content, or articles, companies are always looking for freelance writers to create content for their websites and marketing campaigns. With Scripted, you can earn between $44,000 to $73,000 a year, depending on the amount of work you take on. Plus, it's a perfect gig for anyone who loves writing and wants the flexibility to work from home. Applying is easy. Just visit Scripted's website, go to the bottom of the page, and click on Become a Writer. You'll need to pass a grammar test, but if you've got solid writing skills, this is a great way to break into freelance work. So if you've ever thought about writing for a living, this is your chance to get started. Job number 5, entry-level tech support with OneSupport. Finally, we have an entry-level tech support role with OneSupport. If you're good with computers and enjoy helping people solve tech issues, this job is a great way to earn a solid income without needing prior experience. As a tech support representative, you'll be assisting customers with technical issues over the phone or online chat. The pay starts at around $21 to $30 an hour, and you can work your way up from there. The annual salary ranges from $45,000 to $80,000, and there's plenty of room for growth in the tech support field. You don't need to have a tech background either, just a willingness to learn. To apply, head over to OneSupport's website, click on Join Our Team, and look for entry-level tech support positions. If you want to enhance your skills, you can also take a Google IT support certification, but it's not required. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to break into the tech field while working remotely. So there you have it, 5 work-from-home jobs that are always hiring and don't require any experience. These roles are perfect for anyone looking to start a remote career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share this video with a friend who's looking for remote work opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy job hunting.